I'm Chef Mika and welcome to Raw Fusion Alternatives. If you love ravioli, but you don't want to eat wheat or gluten or cheese for whatever reason, lactose intolerant, I've got an alternative for you. It's delicious and raw. It's from our Italian book, Raw Ravioli. So to start, we have 1 daikon radish, and we've performed magic on this radish. We've made it where it is going to replace our wheat and our dough. So we take the radish and we put it on our mandolin and slice it really thin. And then we put it in a baggie with a little bit of sea salt. And this one we added just a teaspoon. And this creates a very cooked texture. It makes it soft and pliable and almost like a pastry. That's our alternative. So for the cheese is going to take a little bit more work. This is just time. So you just slice it, put it in the baggie, put it in the refrigerator for like 3 to 4 hours, and rinse it before using and rinse off all the salt. Sea salt's best. So for our nut cheese, we're going to take 1 cup of Brazil nuts, and these, I've soaked these for 12 to 18 hours. And they just unlock, literally unlock. It makes it more bioavailable, easier to absorb, and it's just nicer on your tummy. And it makes it a more smoother, creamier cheese. So definitely soak your nuts. Then we have a 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 1 lemon. I've peeled and seeded and sliced this lemon up. And I have 1 to 2, depending on the size, cloves of garlic, and I've chopped it. And 1 tablespoon of miso, secret ingredient. That's going to give it a really cheesy flavor. And we have 1 teaspoon of probiotic powder. Now this kind of like adds the cultures that's going to make your cheese and definitely make it taste cheesy. So to start, we're going to put everything into our food processor. We have our Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are very high in selenium, and a lot of people don't know this, but it's excellent for fertility on the man's side. It makes your sperm actually swim faster and stronger. I'm not kidding, look it up. So then we have our onion. So this is very manly ravioli. Then we have our lemon and garlic, our miso. I love miso. And our probiotic powder. So we're just going to combine all of that, and we have an S blade in here, and we're just going to make it until it has like a dough-like consistency. We're going, ooh, it's warm. It warmed up a little bit. Always take the blade out first, and this is just a safety precaution so you don't reach your hand in there and cut yourself. We're going to take all of this out, and then we're going to transfer it into our blender. This is a high-speed blender. And by transferring it, we're going to make it really creamy. Because I love a very smooth, creamy cheese. Okay. Always start out slow. So we're going to use a plunger, and this is a tool to use it to just help speed things up. That's a workout. Oh, but it smells amazing. I love it. So you're just going to transfer this mixture out, and I want you to see how smooth and creamy this is already. I mean, you could almost eat it like this, but this is cheese, and cheese has a secret ingredient called thyme. So we're going to place this cheese into a container and let it sit in a cool place on your counter for a couple hours, anywhere from 4 to 18 hours max. And 18 hours would be a much colder kitchen, say like 50 or 60 degrees. But if you live here in Vegas, your cheese might be done in a few hours in the summertime. So we're going to take our yummy, delicious nut cheese, and just to show you how to make this, I'm simply going to take and press a little dollop of cheese into the middle of my ravioli. And my mother, she's my chef. She likes to use a pastry bag because that's precision. I'm a little bit more improvising, but for a true chef's precision, you can just go like this. And you're simply going to take your daikon radish rounds and put them together and just press them together like that. And I have to tell you, if you're doing a dinner party for raw, this is a gorgeous appetizer. It's a gorgeous appetizer. It's uber impressive, and personally, I like to top it with fresh herbs. So I have a little bit of dill, and you can use dried herbs too. There you are, our raw, delicious, yummy raw ravioli. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel. And if you just want this one recipe, we also have a do-it-yourself raw fusion alternatives kit that provides all of your simple ingredients, and all you need to buy with it is your nuts and your daikon radish. So thank you for watching. Come back for more, and remember, saving the world starts with you.